Hello everyone. So in this session we'll see all the concepts which comes under reproductive health. So the reproductive health we have to come across right from the introduction part, the introduction and the problems, strategies. The second content was population explosion and then birth control and the types of birth control or contraception, and then after that we come across with the MTP and then STD, and then in the last session as we did about the infertility, the techniques suggested by arts assisted reproductive technology. So all these contents means from each and every content I have some questions. I'll read out the questions. With that you have to follow and you have to answer those questions and submit it to me. I'll start with the first question. The chapter, as I told you, the chapter consists of 5 marks. That consists of means the weightage of this chapter is 5 marks. Okay, the previous question papers, selecting from the previous question papers and some extra questions I have, and you have to refer the notes or the NCERT book. Just answer these questions. The first question is, what is medical termination of pregnancy? Medical termination of pregnancy, in short AMTP, question mark. Following the question, one more sub question is there. Mention the safe period for MTP. So the first question is, what is MTP? Mention the safe period for MTP. MTP means what? Voluntary termination of pregnancy after full term. Voluntary termination of pregnancy after full term is known as MTP. Mention the safe period of MTP means in what period of gestation MTP has been done. Before, the answer should be before trimester. Trimester in sense in the first trimester or 1 month to 3 months. So this is the perfect gestation period or the MTP safest period for the medical termination of pregnancy for abortion. So that question carries 2 marks. So the next question, second question is, write 3 simple principles to prevent STD. Write 3 simple principles to prevent STD. Avoid the principles. These principles, it comes at the last concept of STD. After telling the number of diseases and disorders and everything, at the last I wrote on the board, right? Avoid sex with multiple partners or unknown partner, and using condoms while having sex, and if anyone having doubt, he has to diagnose himself and then he has to treat his sexually transmitted diseases with qualified doctor. So these are the main principles. If we follow in our life, we'll be free from these kind of dangerous, harmful diseases. This question carries 3 marks. The next is, list any 3 reasons for population explosion. 3 reasons for population explosion. One is better health service. The second one is better lifestyle. Third one will be decrease in infant mortality rate, and fourth one will be decrease in mortality, maternal mortality rate, and fifth one is increasing in reproducible age persons. So these are all the reasons for population explosion. You can pick any 3 out of these. Then the question carries 3 marks. The next question, fourth question is, name human male and female sterilization procedure. human male and female sterilization procedure. You have to understand the question. The question is related to birth control, or it comes under contraceptives. Contraceptives, the fifth contraceptive, I guess sixth contraceptive it is, that is surgical method. What they'll do in the surgery, they will cut and tie the vasa differentia in case of male. They'll cut and tied the fallopian tube in case of female. So better sterilization. Mention to, what is that? Name human male and female sterilization procedure is, you have to name it. One is vasectomy, and in case of male, tubectomy in case of female. That question carries 2 marks. And the fifth question is, mention any 4 sexually transmitted diseases. Mention, you have to mention that, you have to name that. No need not to explaining all those. Mention any 4 sexually transmitted diseases in sense, or it will be gonorrhea, HIV, syphilis, genital warts, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B. So these are all the sexually transmitted diseases. They have asked only 4. You can pick any 4 out of those. So the question carries 2 marks. Suggest, next sixth question, suggest any 3 assisted reproductive technologies to overcome infertility. Suggest any 3 assisted reproductive technologies to overcome infertility. In the yesterday's session, I did like IVF, ZIFT, GIFT, or AI, or ICSI. Don't write it in a short form, just expand it. IVF means in vitro fertilization, ZIFT means zygote intrafallopian tube, GIFT means gamete intrafallopian tube, ICSI means intracytoplasmic sperm injection, and the fifth one is AI in sense artificial insemination. Any 2 you have to write. Any 3, sorry. Next one is, mention any 2 natural methods of birth control. Birth control, in birth control so many techniques are there. Okay, contraceptive methods are there. In contraceptive methods, he has asked to write any 2 natural method of birth control. Naturally, how can we control the birth? So naturally, in sense, by following the periods or menstruation cycle. It means, what it tells, periodic abstinence. The second one is withdrawal method or coitus interruptus. So these 2 are the, one more is there, lactation amenorrhea. So these 3 are the natural methods of birth control. So the next one is, the next thing is the next question. So that question carries 2 marks. Next question, how do the following assisted reproductive technologies assist the couple? How do the following assisted reproductive technology assist the couple to have children? One, the sub question, in vitro fertilization. Second one, zygote intrafallopian transfer. Zygote, on the board yesterday I wrote in zygote intrafallopian tube, I wrote no, make it zygote intrafallopian transfer. Don't forget that. And the next one is gamete intrafallopian transfer. It is transfer, it is not tube. So these 3 you have to explain the concept. concept means you have to write the description of these three technologies. The first one is in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization, what they'll do, they'll take the male gamete from the father or male partner, and they'll take the female gamete from the female partner or the donor. They'll make those to fuse with one another, and that zygote has been introduced inside the female reproductive tract. So it is also known as, or it is followed by a test tube baby program. And in the zygote intrafallopian transfer, or what they'll do, they'll transfer the zygote. So this is also a technique followed by IVF. And what is that, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Here in this technique, the gamete or male gamete by means of artificial insemination, they'll transfer the male gamete inside the reproductive tract, female reproductive tract. So give a small description to all these techniques. That should be a valid one, that should be a scientifically. Okay, so that question carries 3 marks. The next question, what is infertility? One more, the following question, how is infertility is treated by assisted reproductive technologies like GIFT and ICSI. Infertility, the couples are unable to produce the children in spite of unprotected sexual cohabitation, is known as infertility. By means of gamete intrafallopian transfer and intracytoplasmic sperm injection, they can achieve, or they can have the babies. What is that, what you have to write in GIF, as I told you in the previous question I told you, no. And in ICSI, what you will write, you will write the doctors, they will inject the sperm inside the cytoplasm of egg. So this is all the condition, or this is all the techniques through which the assisted reproductive technology is treated, infertility is treated through this technology. Next question, this question carries 5 marks. Okay. Next question, what is contraception? Briefly explain 2 barrier methods and 2 surgical methods to prevent contraception. Contraception means prevention of fertilization. 2 barrier methods and 2 what method? Surgical method you have to write. 2 barrier methods like condoms and cervical caps, diaphragms, vaults. These are the 2 barrier methods. And 2 surgical methods are tubectomy and vasectomy. This much is more enough, and this question carries 5 marks. Alright. So the next question is, write any 2 simple principles to prevent sexually transmitted diseases. Write any 2 simple principles to prevent sexually transmitted diseases. 2 principles you have to write. 2 principles: avoid sex with multiple partners, use condoms while having sex. And the next question is, what is infertility? Give reason for infertility in humans. Infertility can be come across in many humans if they are suffering from some diseases, if they are suffering from congenital diseases, if they have some psychological problem, if they have some physical problems. Physical means in their reproductive system, if they have any problems, those parents, those human beings will be suffering from. One more reason is there, immunological, that also can be written that can also add in your answer. So the next one is, infertility finished, right? The next is, what is infertility? One more question is there regarding the infertility. What is infertility? Explain IVF, ET, and IVF, ET you have to write like this: IVF, ET. IVF, ET and ZIFT methods to assist infertile couples to have children. Infertility, as you know, explain IVF. You have to explain this. In vitro fertilization, embryo transfer. This technique is followed by this technique. After this fertilization, the embryo, it has been transferred to the reproductive system of female to achieve the fetus or to achieve that process. The next one is, that question is also for 5 mark. Okay. One more you have to write here, you have to explain with this ZIFT. ZIFT in sense zygote intrafallopian tube. Okay. Next question is, what is that? What are the features of an ideal contraceptive? What are the features of an ideal contraceptive? Ideal contraceptive should be effective, should be reversible for both male and female partner, and it should be easily available, and it show no or less side effects. If in a contraceptive, if it has all these features, it is considered as an ideal contraceptive. I told you while explaining, this and they'll ask you for the examination. And then next is, that question carry 2 mark. The next is, mention the natural method of contraception. Repeated one more time. Natural type of contraception is periodic abstinence, withdrawal method or coitus interruptus, and lactation amenorrhea. 3 natural methods are there. And the next is, that question carry 3 mark. If you write all the 3 natural methods, you will get 3 marks. They have not given how many natural methods you have to write. They have given the question for 3 mark in sense you have to write the answer. You have to write all the natural type of methods. So the next one is, explain the following assisted reproductive technologies. You have to explain it. Following assisted reproductive technologies. The one is, again it came IVF, ET. You have to write the same. IVF. Next one is ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian tube. The next is ICSI. ICSI in sense intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So after that, name any 2 hormones producing IUDs. Name any 2 hormones producing IUDs. Hormone producing IUDs. Progesterone, LNG-20. So these 2 are the hormone releasing contraceptives or IUDs. Those hormones, what they'll do, they'll prevent the motility of the sperm, or it won't prevent, or it won't let it suit for the fertilization. So one more question is there. This is for 2 mark. If you write these 2, you will get 2 mark. One more question. Few more questions are there. Write it. Name any 2 copper releasing IUDs. Any 2 copper releasing IUDs in sense copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375. So these 3 are the copper releasing IUDs. So in the while doing the class, I wrote like here. I'll write it comes under contraceptives, right? Intrauterine devices. The first intrauterine device I wrote medicated IUD, right? In the non-medicated IUD, I wrote Lippul's loop, somewhat I wrote. No, make it correct. That is Lipp's loop. So this is the right one. In non-medicated IUD, it comes Lipp's loop. Alright, so that is one I should have tell you. The next question is, explain the types of IUDs. Mention the implant most commonly used. Next one is, write the base of oral contraceptive. Next question, write any two problems of reproductive health. Next question is, write any two strategies of reproductive health. The next question is, give a brief account on population explosion. Okay, so with this we'll finish today's session. Complete the questions, complete writing the answers, submit it to me. In the next session we'll see the next chapter. Thank you.